Give it 1 pump or 2.
1 pump or 2.
That was 3.
That was a pop.
Yeah.
Timing could be off. Okay.
Pump it again for me. Do it. Pump. All right. Stop. That's a lot of kabang.
Y'all smell that?
Yeah.
That was a funny sound too at the end.
That was a that was a very big kaboom.
It farted! That's what happens when you give a truck gas.
That's
All right, timing's off. There's obviously spark and gas.
dude, it was like boom, boom,